નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to 15th part of 13th chapter 5th mathematics. And from the last part we are discussing practice time available on the page number 183. In the last part we discussed or we solved two sums. Now one is left. What is that? Let's see. A gardener bought 458 apple trees. He was to plant 15 trees in each row. How many rows can he plant? Now, see, total number of trees are 458, isn't it? Now, total number of rows, he want to grow the plant in one row. He want to grow 15 plants, isn't it? So we should answer something like this. See, total number of trees, this is third one. Total of trees is equal to 458. 458. Total number of trees in one row is equal to 15. Why? Because the gardener decided to grow 15 plants in one row. Hence number of rows. So the number of rows required. So number of row is equal to 458 divided by 50. So we have to go for this. And so divide it with yourself. 458 divided by 15. 15 threes are 15. 0, 0, 8 over here. So it will be required. See, quotient is 3 and the remainder is 8. So the quotient is the answer. So 3 rows will be required and 8 plants will left. Okay, why? Because as we put 8 over here, we should put 0 over here. Remember well. That is why 30 rows are required to plant 15 plants in each row. 30 rows will require and 8 trees will left over. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's go for the next, that is brain teaser. What is that? Brain teaser, in which Shyamli bought a battery. She read on it like 2000 hours. Shyamli bought a battery and the life of the battery is 2000 hours. That means the battery will work up to 2000 hours. She uses it throughout the day and the night. She is using it throughout the day and the night. How many days will the battery will run? See, total the life of the battery is 2000 hours. Now throughout the day and night, that is for one day 24 hours. So within one day the battery will run for 24 hours. So how many days the battery will run? So let's answer that. First of all, we should write the life of the battery is equal to life of battery. Life of let me me see. The life of the battery is equal to 200 hours. 2000 hours, isn't it? Now, one day is equal to 24 hours, isn't it? In the day, there are 24 hours. Okay, so number of days battery will run. Therefore, number of days the battery will run is equal to, we should divide 2000 by 24. So we should go to divide this way. Okay, so let's go for that. 2000 divided by 24. If we divide by 80, then it will be, let me tell you, first of all put the 0, 8 4s are 32, 3, 16, 19. Okay, 0, 8, 0, 0. So now 80 is there. So plus 3 is 72, 8. So here question is equal to 83 and remainder is equal to 8. That means what? Battery will run 83 days. Battery will run 83 days and 8 hours. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's go something more, that is more with multiplication and division. For that, wait for a while. Okay, now let's go for more with multiplication and division, in which the first sum, let's see that. A tank is full of 300 liter of water. A tank is full of 300 liter of water. So there is a 300 liter of water in the tank. Now the second thing, how much water will be filled in 25 tanks? If the water in one tank is 300 liter, then how many liters, how much water will be filled in 25 tanks? Then if 15 bucket can be filled with one tank. Now second thing is also there, if 15 bucket can be filled with one tank of water, how many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks? So there are two questions are there. So first of all, let's try to understand and answer the first one. See, water in one tank. Water in one tank is equal to 300 liter, isn't it? So the water, they have asked that then how much water will be filled in 25 tanks. Therefore water in 25 tanks. Therefore water in 25 is equal to, naturally, 300 multiplied by 25 is equal to 25 3s are 75. So 7,500 liter of water can be filled in 25 tanks. Now the another question is also there. From one tank, 15 bucket can be filled from one tank. So how many buckets will be filled from all these 25 tanks? That is the other question. So let's try to solve that. Now, water in one tank is equal to water in one tank is equal to 25 bucket, isn't it? Is equal to 25 bucket. Therefore, water in 25 tank is equal to, so here we have to go for multiplication. Why? Because in the one tank 25, in the second tank other 25, in the third tank other 25, isn't it? So we have to go for multiplication. Total tanks it is 15 bucket. Total tanks are 25. So water in 25 tank is equal to, this is 15 multiplied by 25, and is equal to, you can go directly if you know how to do directly. See, 15 5s are 75. Puts 5 over here, 7 carry. 15 2s are 30 plus 7, 37. So 375 buckets, isn't it? 375 buckets. So in the 25 buckets there are 375 buckets. That means 375 buckets. 375 buckets can be filled from 25 tanks. That should be our answer. Okay. With this, we are ending this part, and we will solve the other sum, exercise, whatever, in this one, in the next part. Till then, try to solve all this with yourself. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.